Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2018 Audi S4. I saw this car come into inventory, 2-3 weeks ago, and I've been just dying to try it out ever since. Because it's not very often we get cars as special as this in inventory. Doing a quick walk around and we'll head out straight on the road. This, it's, oh my gosh. All right. Go ahead and I'll pull forward and show off the interior a bit more because it is quite special. I mean, look at these seats. S embroidered, Alcantara, leg extensions. Thank God for leg extensions. Beautiful back seat area, nice sunroof. I mean, aluminum trim, more Alcantara. I mean, you can't complain with this thing. So this one has 31,590 miles on it, but it looks brand new. Oh, who am I kidding? You guys want to see me drive it, so let's go for a drive. So the V6 under the hood produces 354 horsepower, which is ample. It works, you know, it gets you to and from. There's just something special about this thing. This wheel is absolutely awesome. Beautiful stitching throughout, great 10 and 2 grips, and your hands just fit perfectly in the wheel. The Audi infotainment, or multi-mode infotainment, I think is what they call it, MMI. Wonderful. No lag whatsoever. Loved it in the R8, and I love it here. The sound is something special too. It's very reminiscent of the Ghibli. It's just... I've grown very, very partial to V6s now. They just sound so good. Not sure how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but there are burbles back there from the exhaust. This automatic is fantastic. This is on the level of PDK. And I think these seats might be my favorite part of the car. These are some of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in, especially with the leg extension. Wow. Just wow. This is where this car excels, is just back roads. This is, I think, the best enthusiast daily driver. Onto our suspension test, drop it down to 40. Oh yeah, that's awesome. There's some cars where I just don't want to get out of it, and this is one of them, in all honesty, man. This is something really special. So thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.